So viewers, after a stormy start to the Delhi session, the stage is now set for the fresh showdown between the Delhi Sarkar and the opposition, as the newly formed BJP government is all set to table the CAG reports in the assembly today. Now, the second day of the newly constituted Delhi assembly session is set to commence with an address from the Delhi LG Vinay Kumar Saxena, following which Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will table all 14 of the pending CAG reports. Now, these reports pertain to the tenure of the previous Aam Aadmi Party government and are expected to be a focal point of discussion during this remainder of the session. Now, these reports cover critical areas such as the state finances, public health, infrastructure, vehicular air pollution, liquor regulation, as well as the functioning of the Delhi Transport Corporation. In fact, we are breaking updates now coming in with the pending CAG audits, including review of the state finances, public health, infrastructure, vehicular air pollution, liquor regulation, and the functioning of the Delhi Transport Corporation, among others. We have details on what these reports actually contain, the details that are mentioned in these CAG reports.
प्रॉब्लम उनको हो रही है जिनको डर लग रहा है कि सीएजी की रिपोर्ट आएगी। सीएजी की रिपोर्ट के डर से ध्यान भटकाने के लिए नाटक तमाशे, ये आम आदमी पार्टी की पुरानी आदत रही है। लेकिन उनको कम से कम इस चुनाव में ये समझ आ जाना चाहिए कि नौटंकी की उम्र बहुत लंबी नहीं होती। अब भी अगर उनके जो बचे खुचे विधायक हैं वो जनता का काम करें, जनता के मुद्दे उठाएं, जन सेवा करें, इसी में उनकी राजनीतिक भलाई भी है। जो अगर पुराने ही अपने मॉडल को, नौटंकी को, तमाशे को कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो जितने और बचे हैं उनकी भी राजनीति धीरे धीरे और कमज़ोर होती चली जाएगी। मेरी ये सलाह है उनको कि विधानसभा की गरिमा पिछले 10 सालों में बहुत ख़राब की गई। इस विधानसभा के अंदर देश का और धर्म का, समाज का और दिल्ली की जनता का बहुत अपमान किया गया। अब इस विधानसभा को गरिमापूर्ण तरीके से चलने दें।
आतिशी जी क्या कहती है, नहीं कहती है, ये मुझे कहने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। 11-12 साल तक कहाँ सोती रही, उनकी सरकार 12 साल तक थी। हर वर्ष सीएजी की रिपोर्ट पेश होनी थी, 2019 में भी होनी थी, 21 में होनी थी, उसके लगातार होनी थी। कोर्ट के डंडे के बाद सीएजी की रिपोर्ट को जिस प्रकार से उनको मजबूर होना पड़ा, निश्चित रूप से उसके लिए यदि किसी ने काम किया, दिल्ली के पैसे का जिसने बर्बादी की, वो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री, उस समय तत्कालीन मुख्यमंत्री आतिशी और अरविंद केजरीवाल ने। यदि कोरोना जैसी महामारी फैली हो तो यहाँ पे ये इस प्रकार का शीश महल बनाते हुए दिल्ली के लोगों को अधर में खड़ा कर दिया।
My colleagues Isha, Teji as well as Mohit are joining us on the broadcast today. It's a big showdown that's expected in the Delhi Assembly. Isha, a lot of questions on what the CAG reports are going to be. This was an issue that the Prime Minister had also spoken of in the victory speech, saying the CAG reports will be tabled. That's expected today. What are the details of what the CAG reports are going to include?
Right, Pratibha. So the day will start with the address of the Lieutenant Governor at around 11 a.m. and after that the Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, will be tabling the CAG reports. It is being told that the reports will consist of fallacies that came forth during the regime of the Aam Aadmi Party government. They will consist of details. They will consist of reports of air pollution and other scams as well. In fact, the Aam Aadmi, and of course the main issue that has come to the fore, Pratibha, is that the BJP has alleged that the exchequer is absolutely empty and that the Aam Aadmi Party has completely finished the funds of the national capital, to which the Aam Aadmi Party responded saying that these are all rumours, these are all baseless allegations, because it was the Aam Aadmi Party that made sure that the national capital grew financially in the last 10 years. But the CAG reports are to be tabled. A lot of showdown is to be expected in the coming few hours. We are expecting a lot of back and forth, a lot of drama, but the Aam Aadmi Party has been stating that they have nothing to be scared of. But the BJP constantly, time and again, saying that these reports will be talking about the Aam Aadmi Party's scams and corruptions in the last few years. Back to you.
Okay, all right. In fact, we are breaking updates now coming in. Times Now has accessed the details of one of the CAG reports that is going to be tabled in the Assembly today. This CAG report is on the DTC buses, and the report on the Delhi Transport Corporation has revealed some serious issues causing financial losses. Tetri is joining us with the details. Tetri, the CAG report talking about the big losses that were accumulated over the years. What are the details of this report?
Well, absolutely, and Times Now has managed to access the details of one of this particular CAG report that is going to be tabled in assembly. But in fact, you know what, sources have told us that this particular CAG report that will be tabled, and in fact what we are getting to know is that from 2015 to 2016 to 21 to the year 2022, DCC's cumulative losses grew from rupees 25,300 crores to nearly 60,000 crores. So a loss of 60,000 crores was there in DTC. Not just that, but let us break down so as to what were the reasons for these losses, and that have been mentioned during the audit. So sources reveal that despite having funds available for the DTC did not procure enough buses. The old buses were running on the roads, and that is why in fact there were delay also in finalizing the contracts for electric buses. That led to shorter contract period. Number two, if we read about, then it also mentions about the government's decision to offer free rides to women. This particular decision of government to offer free rides to women, that also deteriorated entire condition, and in fact it worsened the condition because already the department was in loss, and in fact giving free ride to each and every woman of Delhi, that worsened the condition. Number three, there was no proper roadmap so as to from where to so as to from which location to another location that particular bus will go. So the poor management system, in fact giving free rides to women, and in fact having a loss of 60,000 crores. That is not a small amount.
Look at the staggering numbers, 25,300 crore to nearly 60,750 crores. Those are the numbers mentioned in the CAG reports. It's going to be tabled shortly. The BJP says that this is holding the previous Aam Aadmi Party government accountable.
देखो, एक तो केजरीवाल अपनी करनी से गए हैं, अपने भ्रष्टाचार से गए हैं, अपने आपराधिक मानसिकता से गए हैं, अपनी क्रूरता से गए हैं और अपनी धोखा देने वाली नीयत से गए हैं। भाजपा आई है अपनी स्वच्छ नीति और नीयत के कारण और नरेंद्र मोदी जी के गारंटी के कारण। मोदी जी विश्वास के प्रतीक बन गए हैं। आज वो सीएजी रिपोर्ट जो रोकी गई थी आम आदमी पार्टी के द्वारा, वो कल या परसों में टेबल हो जाएगी।
जिन्होंने जनता के पैसे का मजाक उड़ाया है, शीश महल बनाया है, तो ऐसे शीश महल को तो जनता तोड़ेगी ही। और सीएजी की रिपोर्ट के बाद में पहले जनता ने बेआबरू किया है, अब सीएजी की रिपोर्ट आने के बाद कानूनी रूप से भी वो बेआबरू हो जाएंगे।
So, Tetri, the BJP is saying, while Aam Aadmi Party has also hit back and said, why target the Aam Aadmi Party leaders? The BJP should focus on governance. The BJP has hit back and said, this is about accountability on what has been done in the previous few years in the national capital, because the people of Delhi deserve to know what has happened and the financial irregularities that have taken place.
Well, absolutely. You see, it is not just about, focusing on the governance, but also, in fact, the people of Delhi have the right to know so as to what has happened to their money. And in fact, this is the money of the taxpayers. Remember that Aam Aadmi Party has been very much vocal on the stand of on portraying themselves as Aam Aadmi. But the question again here arises that which Aam Aadmi, in fact, here manages to handle this particular issue of having a loss of 60,000 crores. And not just that, but in fact, the details that we're talking about, this entire CAG report that also will be tabled. So, whenever such kind of plan is introduced, there is an MOU signed. And in this particular matter, no MOU was signed by the Transport Department. Several times reminder was given. And also remember that CCTV surveillance was not there, and in fact, the government also said that they will be also giving automated tickets. So that particular thing was also not given. Panic buttons were installed in the buses. Those panic buttons were already were not working.
Stay with us. We have Mr. Virendra Sachdeva joining us over the phone line. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Virendra Sachdeva. The Aam Aadmi Party says that this is targeting. Today is a big day. The CAG reports are going to be tabled in the assembly.
बिल्कुल बड़ा दिन है। दिल्ली को जिन लोगों ने लूटा है और जानबूझकर सीएजी रिपोर्ट को विधानसभा के पटल पर रखने का काम नहीं किया है, अब आज अगर सीएजी रिपोर्ट पटल पर आती है तो उसके अंदर जो इनके काले कारनामे हैं, जो भ्रष्टाचार की चिट्ठे हैं, उस पर जवाब तो देना पड़ेगा इनको। कब तक भागते फिरेंगे? चोरी की है, लूट की है, तो उसका हिसाब तो देना पड़ेगा ना आपको।
जी, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी ने कहा है कि उनको टारगेट किया जा रहा है, उस पर क्या कहेंगे आप?
उनसे ये पूछिए कि दिल्ली को टारगेट किसने किया लूटने का। अगर आपने चोरी की है, लूट की है, धोखाधड़ी की है, तो उसका जवाबदेही आपकी नहीं बनती। जवाबदेही आपकी बनती है और आपको जवाब देना चाहिए। और अगर आपने कुछ नहीं किया तो फिर डर क्यों रहे हैं? अगर आपने चोरी नहीं की है, आतिशी मार लेना अरविंद केजरीवाल, तो फिर भाग क्यों रहे हैं? क्यों विधानसभा पटल पर सीएजी रिपोर्ट नहीं रख रहे थे? सालों से दबा के बैठे थे। और हमारा चुनावी वादा था ये, हम बार बार कह रहे थे कि दिल्ली की जनता को लूटने वालों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, उनको एक एक पाई का हिसाब देना होगा। अब समय आ गया तो हिसाब देना चाहिए।
Okay, all right. Virendra Sachdeva ji, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Let me take this across to Mohit as well. So Mohit, the BJP is saying this was a promise that was made to the people of Delhi and the BJP is executing the same. So what's expected today on the CAG report? Some of the details that we've accessed as well. Big showdown expected.
Pratibha, in fact, today is a big day when the CAG reports will be tabled in the assembly. Now, given the fact that it has been the focal point of BJP's attack on Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party in run-up to the elections, we saw that how LG gave orders to convene a special session of the assembly, but that was not being done to table the CAG reports. So clearly, BJP has been saying that the CAG reports exposes the corruption that Aam Aadmi Party and its leader were indulging, but before the election, those particular reports were not being tabled. Now, what exactly is in this report? Now, these reports cater to the period post-2017, and in most part of these 14 reports, Arvind Kejriwal was the Chief Minister of Delhi. So it will be a direct attack on Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, the main issues that these CAG reports will be auditing, and which have audited rather, are the liquor policy, the construction of Sheesh Mahal, as the BJP says, about the 6 Flagstaff Road residence of former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, about the DTC scam that Teshri was just referring to, and various other audits are there in these CAG reports. But the Sheesh Mahal and liquor would be the focus point of the BJP's attack. Now, given the fact that how the BJP has been saying that while the people in Delhi were struggling for bed, they were struggling for bread, they were struggling for hospital during the COVID period, Arvind Kejriwal constructed Sheesh Mahal and he got all the facilities, lavish facilities over there, and the BJP has even claimed that the official cost was more than what it was, which will be there in the CAG report. The cost has gone up to 70 to 80 crores of the Sheesh Mahal. There were various lapses in the liquor policy, and all that will be exposed today when the CAG reports will be tabled. So it will be a stormy session. It will start around 11 when the Lieutenant Governor will come for the address, and post that around 12, these reports will be tabled in the Parliament.
Okay, so in just about 2 hours from now, all the details that have been a flashpoint during the assembly elections, including Sheesh Mahal, as well as financial irregularities, Liquorgate, all of that, the details are going to be laid bare in the assembly. We're keeping an eye out for that. Thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break. We'll be right back.